Hello friend, today in this video we are going to learn how we can be anonymous using GNS3. So you can see this is GNS3. Inside GNS3 what you need a open vSwitch. If you don't know how to install open vSwitch, I have already uploaded a video on this one and I will give the link in the I button, okay? So you can go and watch them. Now whatever we need here, the first thing we need is NAT. So it's just select the NAT option, go to GNS3 VM, click on OK, and you will see this NAT option. Then what you need, the another thing you need is this open vSwitch. So just select this and drag and drop here, okay? So open vSwitch is here. Now you need operating system which you have already installed inside your virtual machine. So you can see this is our virtual box. Inside this virtual box I have installed so many different operating system, but I'm not going to start them directly, because if I start them directly I'm not anonymous, because I will get my IP address directly from my Geo fiber router, which is traceable. So what I will do, I will go to this GNS3 machine and then I will drag and drop that machine from here, okay? So whatever operating system you have, you can drag and drop here from that machine, and then I will connect them. So I will connect this with vSwitch, then I connect this vSwitch with this operating system and this one with this operating system. You can also use Kali Linux, okay, or any other operating system inside this. And now you have to play this, start this to make all the operating system on. Now what will happen, that NAT will get the IP address from my Geo fiber router, but this NAT1 will give another IP address, okay? Another IP address, generate another IP address with the help of DHCP to these machines, and they could be transferred through this open vSwitch. So now you can see the machines are getting on, other machines are getting on. So this is my Ubuntu machine. Let me log in inside this machine, and just wait. It's loading. Once it's loaded, I will show you whether internet is running on this machine or not. Okay, till it's loading, let me go to another machine, that is Red Hat Linux machine, which is starting. So these are the these two machines which are connected inside this GNS3 Ubuntu and this Red Hat machine. So let's go to this Red Hat machine, check the IP address if config. What you see, the IP address range is 192.168.122.190, which is not same as our Windows network. So you can see my Windows IP address is, if I type IP config, you can see the IP address is 192.168.29.227, but here it's not 29, it's 122.190. So the network has changed. Now I try to ping with Google, in google.com, to check the network connectivity, and you can see it's pinging Google. So it's pinging with Google. It means this machine is connected with internet, but it's getting the different IP address. So in this way you can be anonymous using GNS3, okay? Ubuntu Linux, Red Hat Linux, Kali Linux, whatever you want. You can be more anonymous if you can apply the rule how to change your IP address every second. I have already uploaded a video on how to keep changing, automatically keep changing your IP address every second, like every 2 seconds or every 3 seconds or every 5 seconds. Your machine IP address will be automatically changed. If you apply that security, you will be more anonymous, okay? So I hope you understand. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you for watching.